Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay app tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about Alipay TourCard and Alipay Travel Wallet. What does that mean? How can you activate and how can you use them? Whether you are in China or you are outside China. Let me show you how. Have you opened up your Alipay app? For you to have access to some of these mini apps in Alipay, for Alipay TourCard, you can easily come to the top right here, type in TourCard right here. Click on here, and then what you want to do is to go ahead and type in TourCard. Hit search, and then you are going to see the TourCard right here. However, if you cannot find it right here in the search, you can easily check from the mini program. Click on here to go back. Click on here to go back. Then you can easily click on more right here. Then right here, scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here. And then you'll find your Alipay TourCard right here. These are two different ways to locate Alipay TourCard. Now, what does this Alipay TourCard means? How you can activate and how to know if your country is eligible to use Alipay TourCard. What I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on Alipay TourCard. And this is going to pop up right here. You just want to make sure you click on agree and continue right here to the privacy of using Alipay TourCard. That's going to take you right here. Enjoying your mobile payment in China, go ahead and hit enter. Now it's going to take you to the Alipay TourCard right here. Now, this Alipay TourCard right here, there are things you need to know about it. Alipay TourCard is a kind of wallet that you can use to pay for goods and services, whether you are in China or outside China, provided that the merchant or the supplier are in support of Alipay as a means of payment. You can use your Alipay TourCard. Now, what is TourCard? You can read details about Alipay TourCard right here and the expiration of the Alipay TourCard right here. Okay. Now, how can you top up your Alipay TourCard? All you have to do is to click on Use Now right here. So once you tap on Use Now right here, you need to fill in your international passport. You can bind your Alipay TourCard with your MasterCard or Visa card, and then from there you can begin to top up your balance right here in your Alipay TourCard. And then this is what you need to know about Alipay TourCard as a means of payment, how you can top up in the Alipay app. Let's go ahead and proceed to Alipay Travel Wallet. I'm going to exit from Alipay TourCard right here. Then how can you have access to your Alipay Travel Wallet? Alipay Travel Wallet cannot be found right here, okay? You can only get Alipay Travel Wallet provided that you are a gold member in Alipay user terms of service. And for you to have access, simply come back right here, and then you want to make sure you click on your account right here. Click on account. Then when you click on account, it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on Travel Wallet right here. So under Travel Wallet, you have this mini account right here. One thing about this here is that there is always limit for this particular account right here. But nevertheless, you can still top up your account with your MasterCard or Visa card. For you to activate and top up, all you have to do is to click on Activate and Top Up right here. You can click on View More Detail right here to check on details about this particular Alipay mini wallet right here. So you can see how to top up everything, how to activate, and how you can use it right here in your Alipay app. Just like so, you can see this is where your balance is, how to use it for making payment in your Alipay app. Just like so. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as Alipay TourCard and Alipay Travel Wallet is concerned. There are two different mini programs in Alipay app that allow you to pay for your goods and services, whether you are in China or you are outside China. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.